Hey there friends, I welcome you on my YouTube channel. This is Shanu Kumar. In this video, we are going to learn present indefinite tense. Today in this video, we will understand that how to use do and does. Right? We are going to learn how to use do and does. Okay? But before starting, I would like to tell that do and does are used in the sense of ta, te, ti. Right? I just want to tell that we use do and does in the sense of ta, te, ti. Right? And here are also written two facts which we must know. Okay, so I am going to tell here. See, the first fact, it is used in negative and interrogative sentences. Here are written two rules which we must follow while using do and does. Okay, I just want to tell that do and does, it is used in negative and interrogative sentences. We use do and does in negative and interrogative sentences. And here is the second rule. We use do and does with verbs first form. It is used with verbs first form. We use do and does with verbs first form and in the sense of ta, te, ti. Right? And do and does are used in negative and interrogative sentences. Okay, so now we are looking that how do we use do and does. We use do and does, but where? We use do and does for these subjects. I have written this side and also this side. I am also going to tell that where do we use do and does. We use do. First of all, we are going to learn that how do we use do. We use do with I, we, you, they and plural names, means plural subjects. We use do with I, we, you, they and plural names, means plural subjects. Right? Now, where do we use does? Please look here as well. We use does with he, she, it and similar names. We use does with he, she, it and similar subject. Right? I hope you are getting that what is called plural name and what is called singular name. Okay? Singular name just like Ram, Rani, Raju, and plural names just like Ram and Raju, Sita and Geeta, Rohan and Rani. These all come in plural category, and those names who come in singular, those are called singular subjects. Okay, and I have also written some sentences here to understand about. I have written here some sentences to understand. Okay, so we will see some sentences of do and does. After that, we can use it easily. Okay, so first of all, just remember these facts which I just told. First of all, please remember that we use do and does in the sense of ta, te, ti, and also remember these things. It is used in negative and interrogative sentences, and the second rule is it is used with verbs first form. And I already saw here that we use do with these subjects, we use does with these subjects. Right? So we are going to see some sentences here. Please look and understand. I also wrote its Hindi in below. Okay, so first sentence is I do not fight. Okay, I do not fight. I already explained that we use do with I subject, do with we subject, do with you subject, do with they subject, and do with plural subjects. So here is I, that is why I wrote do. Okay, so this sentence is I do not fight, means मैं नहीं लड़ता हूँ. I already told that we use do and does in the sense of ta te ti, and it is always used with verbs first form. I do not fight, मैं नहीं लड़ता हूँ. This is second sentence. Do I fight, क्या मैं लड़ता हूँ. And this sentence is of negative and this sentence is of interrogative. Do I fight, क्या मैं लड़ता हूँ. This is third sentence. We do not show, हम लोग नहीं दिखाते हैं. We do not show, हम लोग नहीं दिखाते हैं. What do we show, हम क्या दिखाते हैं. What do we show, हम क्या दिखाते हैं. I also want to tell that we use do and does in interrogative sentences, but if we use WH family, then WH family is used before do. Okay, so this sentence is of WH family and this sentence is of interrogative sentence. So what do we show means हम क्या दिखाते हैं. Now let's see fifth number sentence. You do not yell, तुम नहीं चिल्लाते हो. You do not yell, तुम नहीं चिल्लाते हो. We can also contract do not and does not. Do not will be don't and does not will be doesn't. Okay, so we have seen sentences up to 5 number. You do not yell, तुम नहीं चिल्लाते हो. Now let's see some more examples, some more sentences. Why do you yell, तुम क्यों चिल्लाते हो. This is seventh sentence, and please notice here that these sentences are of present indefinite, because we also see identification which are ta te ti. Okay, which is ta and te and ti. Now let's see seventh sentence. They do not think, वे नहीं सोचते हैं. They do not think, वे नहीं सोचते हैं. Here is 8th number sentence. What Prince and Priya do not think, क्या प्रिंस और प्रिया क्या नहीं सोचते हैं. Here please notice Prince and Priya come in plural subject, that is why do is used here. What Prince and Priya do not think, प्रिंस और प्रिया क्या नहीं सोचते हैं. Now we are going to look few sentences of does. We have seen sentences of do by now. Now we are going to look sentences of does. Okay, so I already told here that we use does with he, she, it and singular names, means singular subject. Let's see 9th number sentence. She does not talk, वह नहीं बात करती है. We can also contract does not means doesn't. We can also say she doesn't talk or she does not talk means वह नहीं बात करती है. Now here is 10th number sentence. With whom does he not talk, वह किससे बात नहीं करती है. With whom does he not talk, वह किससे बात नहीं करता है. No, sorry, with whom does he not talk, वह किससे बात नहीं करता है. Now it is 11th number sentence. It does not melt, यह नहीं पिघलता है. Let's see 12th number sentence. Does it not melt, क्या यह नहीं पिघलता है. This is an interrogative sentence and this is not that sentence with WH family. This is दिस इज अ नॉर्मल इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस। डज इट नॉट मेल्ट, क्या यह नहीं पिघलता है। नाउ दिस इज 13th सेंटेंस। अंकिता डज नॉट इम्प्रूव, अंकिता नहीं सुधरती है। अंकिता comes in singular subject, that is why does is used here. अंकिता does not improve, अंकिता नहीं सुधरती है। See the last sentence, अंकित does not learn, अंकित नहीं याद करता है। अंकित does not learn, अंकित नहीं याद करता है।